Google is making a big move with its next-generation Pixel phones. The upcoming Tensor G5 chip will no longer be manufactured by Samsung. Instead, Google is switching to TSMC, a major shift in how the company develops its processors. This change isn't just about a different manufacturer, it also means replacing several key components within the chipset. So what exactly is changing in the Tensor G5, and why is Google making this move? Let's break it down. The Tensor G5 will feature multiple component changes compared to its predecessor, the Tensor G4. While some of these differences may not be immediately noticeable, they could have long-term effects on performance, battery life, and overall user experience. One of the biggest changes is the graphics processor, GPU. This part of the chip is responsible for handling games, graphics-heavy apps, and animations. Google's choice to go with a new GPU means we could see improvements in game performance and battery efficiency. However, the real impact will only be clear once users get their hands on the device and put it to the test in real-world scenarios. Another major update is the video codec. This component is crucial for recording and playing videos efficiently. A high-quality codec helps keep the phone cool and reduces battery drain when watching videos. Google's new choice could improve these aspects, ensuring a better experience for content consumption. The display controller is also seeing a change. This component controls how visuals appear on the screen, affecting color accuracy, refresh rates, and overall display quality. Google is switching to VeriSilicon's solution, which might lead to subtle improvements in display performance, though users may not immediately notice any major differences. One of the most critical components in a smartphone's camera system is the image signal processor, ISP. The ISP plays a key role in software-based camera enhancements like exposure control, white balance correction, autofocus, and noise reduction. With the new Tensor G5, Google has replaced the ISP, and this could lead to noticeable improvements in photo and video quality, reinforcing Google's reputation for having one of the best smartphone cameras in the market. The physical layer controllers, SPI controller, and PWM controller are also getting updates. These components handle internal chip communication and power management. While not something users interact with directly, small efficiency gains in power management could lead to better battery life. Another component seeing a change is the UFS controller, which affects how quickly your phone reads and saves data. While it's unlikely to cause a major difference in daily use, an upgrade in this area could enhance app loading speeds and system responsiveness. One of the most important updates is the modem. The modem is responsible for connecting your phone to cellular networks, including 5G. Google is rumored to be using a MediaTek modem, which could potentially improve signal strength and battery efficiency. However, until we see the final product, it's unclear whether this switch will have a significant impact on the user experience. Products often come with unexpected issues. This move could set the foundation for even more powerful and optimized Pixel phones in the future. What do you think about Google's decision to move away from Samsung for its Tensor G5 chip? Will it lead to better performance and battery life, or do you think there might be some unexpected challenges along the way? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth tech updates. 25 series today in San Jose, California, marking the debut of 3 exciting models: the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. Just hours before the grand unveiling, retail boxed images surfaced, showcasing the lineup in their sleek packaging. The leak confirms that the boxes are thin, with no in-box charger included, continuing Samsung's trend of reducing packaging waste. Among the colors revealed, the Galaxy S25 comes in a refined gray, the S25 Plus dazzles in dark blue, and the S25 Ultra stuns in its titanium ice blue finish. Samsung's bold design choices are evident in the Ultra model, which retains its signature S Pen slot while sporting rounded edges for a more comfortable grip. Under the hood, all models are powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, a custom for Galaxy version that is overclocked for enhanced performance. The base Galaxy S25 model offers 128 gigabytes of storage, a somewhat disappointing figure, but Samsung compensates with a boost in RAM to 12 gigabytes across all base models. For storage options, the lineup includes 256 gigabytes as standard, with 512 gigabytes available for users requiring more space. Hands-on images have added last-minute excitement, offering an early look at the Galaxy S25 series. The leaks reveal a redesigned, slender retail box that emphasizes the phone's frames and cameras. The Ultra's design features premium-looking camera rings, flat sides, and a streamlined back panel, further enhancing comfort and aesthetics. Color options across the series include mint and silver shadow for the Galaxy S25, navy blue for the S25 Plus, and titanium gray for the S25 Ultra. Exclusive online-only colors such as blue, black, coral red, and pink gold provide even more variety for buyers. In terms of pricing, Samsung is keeping the base prices steady compared to the Galaxy S24 series in South Korea. This decision, despite rising production costs and a higher USD to Korean won exchange rate, is seen as a win for consumers worldwide. However, higher storage variants see a slight increase. Here's the pricing breakdown for the base 256 GB models. Galaxy S25, 1,155,000 Korean won, $796. Galaxy S25 Plus, 1,353,000 Korean won, $933. Galaxy S25 Ultra, 1,694,000 Korean won, $1,171. Higher storage variants will cost Galaxy S25 512 gigabytes, 1,313,500 Korean won, $962. Galaxy S25 Plus 512 gigabytes, 1,511,400 Korean won, $1,429. Galaxy S25 Ultra 512 gigabytes, 1,858,600 Korean won, $1,281. These prices are competitive given the global use of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which is 20% more expensive than its predecessor. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S25 series is Galaxy AI, included free of charge through 2025. This advanced AI capability enhances user experience by offering features such as night video with audio eraser. This innovative tool allows users to capture stunning videos in low light while reducing both video grain and background audio noise. Samsung has also upgraded the selfie cameras for lifelike skin tones and textures, ensuring top-notch photo quality. The Galaxy S25 lineup also introduces varying battery capacities to suit different needs. Galaxy S25 4,000 mAh, Galaxy S25 Plus 4,900 mAh, Galaxy S25 Ultra 5,000 mAh. As expected, the S Pen remains exclusive to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, bundled within the box. For display enthusiasts, the series offers impressive screen sizes. 6.2 inches for the S25, 6.7 inches for the S25 Plus, and a massive 6.9 inches for the S25 Ultra. The Ultra also leads the pack with a 200-megapixel main camera, and all the other models feature 50-megapixel primary sensors. Samsung's ecosystem features are also highlighted in the Galaxy S25 series. Smart Switch makes it seamless to transfer data from your old device, while Samsung Digital Wallet provides a secure hub for credit cards, boarding passes, and more. For Galaxy users, daily news briefings will deliver morning and evening updates on weather, top stories, and other essentials. What's your take on the Galaxy S25 series pricing and features? Are you excited about the design, performance, or AI capabilities? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to reserve your Galaxy S25 through the link in the description to take advantage of exclusive offers. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more updates on the latest gadgets, and turn on notifications so you'd never miss a future upload. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey Samsung fans, the moment we've all been waiting for is almost here. The Galaxy S25 series is set to be unveiled at the highly anticipated Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22nd. But here's the deal.